What's up guys, KosherTech here. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to properly white balance your videos using two methods. First one is this thing, the gray card, and the second method is your white walls. Let's get to it. Alright, so right now you might be watching and you see my skin tone is very yellowish and I'm very faded out. The colors are not, basically correct. Now if I just basically now snap my fingers and now everything, my skin tones look much better. Everything is balanced out. So let me show you guys how I did that. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm using Premiere Pro to edit. Now I selected a quick clip. Now as you guys can see in this clip, everything is washed out. Everything is yellow. Maybe I'm going to show you guys a before and after, but this shouldn't look like this. It's very washed out. It's very yellow. Now if you watch my earlier videos, I didn't use proper white balance and I didn't color correct my videos, so it didn't look as professional as it does now. But everything is basically washed out. My forehead is yellow. My white walls are now white. They're basically yellow. So all I have to do is just go to color. There's this little tool right here, W selector, white balance selector. All I have to essentially do is just click on the tool, right? And then I could either hit the white walls or I could hit this gray card. So we're gonna hit the gray card first, and then bam, look at this. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick before and after. Yellow, and then boom, look, the walls, look at the walls, they're white. My forehead is less white. There's more tone on my arms than it was. So I'm gonna go back and look, everything is washed out. Now this is very simple. Just all you have to do is hit the white balance selector, hit the gray card, and that's it. It does everything for you. Now let's say you don't have a gray card and you're like, damn, I have white walls. So basically what you have to then do is just click on the white balance selector, and then all you have to do is just hit the white wall, and then voila. Before, and I'm gonna hit the white wall after. It honestly looks night and day. And then later on we could obviously go and we could play with the exposure, we could increase the contrast, we could lower the highlights. You could play with your own style, but that's basically it, guys. It's like literally 2 seconds. All you have to do is just hit any of the, basically, if you have white walls. Now, if you don't have white walls, then yeah, you're gonna need a gray card. But if you have white walls, then honestly, you don't even need a gray card. A gray card would basically be good if you're out shooting outside, and then that's something you're gonna wanna do. But honestly, guys, that's basically it. All you have to do is just either hit the wall or the gray card, and you'll have, seriously, perfect white balance, guys. Now, usually with my style, what I like to do is once I get my perfect white balance, what I like to do is basically, I like to play with the vignetting. So I like to cover this up. I like to essentially I like to lower the shadows, lower a little bit of highlights, increase the contrast. Maybe the exposure is fine right here. Let's go to creative tools. I like to increase the sharpness a little bit, the vibrance of the videos. I like to lower saturation. I don't like my forehead to look yellow. Now, as you guys can see, as I lower the saturation, it becomes more gray. So I don't want to do that. But at 100, it's more yellowish. It doesn't look like that in real life. So I usually lower it down to 90 or 95. But honestly, that's basically it. Of course, you could go into the technicalities of getting more technical in the sense of playing with the RGB curves and playing with the HSL secondary colors, but that's basically it. It's very simple. All you have to do is just click on the white balance selector, click on either the white walls or the gray card, and that's voila, your video is basically done and it looks professional, guys.